unraveling, groveling, more than just apologies. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where learning English is both fun and enlightening. Today, we're going to decode a fascinating English phrase, groveling. Many of you might have heard it in movies, read it in books, or come across it in everyday conversations. But what does it really mean to grovel? Stick around as we dive deep into its meaning, usage, and nuances. When we talk about groveling, we're referring to the act of behaving in a way that shows you are very sorry for something you have done, so much so that you are willing to lower yourself before someone else. It's often associated with begging for forgiveness in a very humble or abject manner. The image that might come to mind is someone on their hands and knees, pleading. This is the literal picture of groveling. However, it's not always this extreme. It can also refer to any action where someone is trying to get another person's approval or favor by flattering or acting in a subservient manner. Understanding the origins of words can often help us better grasp their full meaning. The word grovel comes from a Middle English word meaning to lie prone or face downward, and was originally used in a religious context. Over time, it evolved to describe the act of imploring or begging in a state of humility. Let's look at how groveling can be used in everyday language. Here are some examples. He was groveling for her forgiveness after he forgot their anniversary. I'm tired of groveling to my boss just to get a day off. There's no dignity in groveling at someone's feet. Stand up for yourself. Notice that groveling is often used with the prepositions for or to, depending on what follows it. Synonyms can help us understand a word's meaning by providing words with similar meanings. For groveling, some synonyms are subservient, sycophantic, obsequious. On the flip side, antonyms, words with opposite meanings, give us a contrast that can also be enlightening. Antonyms for groveling include assertive, dominant, confident. It's also important to note that groveling often carries a negative connotation. It suggests weakness or a lack of self-respect. Different cultures might perceive the act of groveling differently, but in many Western cultures, maintaining dignity and self-respect is valued, and therefore, groveling might be viewed particularly unfavorably. Thank you for joining us as we explored the meaning of groveling. We hope this video helps you understand not just the definition, but also the context and connotations of this term. Remember, language is not just about words but also about the emotions and cultural understanding they convey. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.